Hi guys! Today I want to make a gift from a Dollar Tree. This is almost everything that I'm going to use in my gift box. Also, I have prepared stickers for the products that I'm going to use. Please let me know which one you like more, white or craft. Look at him! He found the ornament and he wants to play with it. Great! So let's begin with the stickers. I decided to use a cotton element on them, but you can do this without it. Just put the names of the products and it will look great. I prefer the craft paper more, but this time I have chosen a white paper because I'm using a cotton flower and it's not really visible on the craft paper. In the store, I found a metal Christmas box and I really liked it, so I got it and I spray painted in white. The next step is to prepare your products so you exactly will know what you are going to use. Everything in front of you ready to be used, you can start to putting your box together. Some final touches and your gift is ready. So this is a 10-second trying to film a video and have a body laying on the table. Like really, I don't want to move him. So cute. I want him to stay, but I want to film a video as well. This bag, yeah. I'm doing the Dollar Tree video. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you in a moment what I got. I'll hook you up. Good morning. Bender, I will need to move you. Sorry. That's it. Okay, good. I have space. I have space to work, to film.